guys, welcome to another video. So we're gonna be continuing and finishing all the pool levels, and there's zombies, but first we have to test out Gatling PEA.
Copyrighted.
Let's just stop talking. So guys, we're also gonna test out the twin sunflowers, so we have them. Let's just bring out some extra guys.
And we're done.
I'm not gonna use that guy yet, because we haven't got them.
You know that there's
already
50 more. Those are upgrade plants.
I know. I have the guys you upgrade with them.
Yeah. Wait, and after this, I think we're gonna have to get access to cob cannon.
Yeah, but that's in the roof.
No, cob cannon. You know the thing?
Yeah, you only get that in the at roof. I don't get why they only have 3 lawnmowers. Like, what's the point of only 3?
Wait, get the tangle. Get the tangle.
No, but he's not in the water. I have to use like squash.
You need to defend them while they make sun.
Oh, the only instant kill on land I have is squash. That's kind of annoying. Wait, do I have any? No, I only have 2. I did 1 water, but actually squash can go in.
Get more sun. Get more sun.
Yeah, I just need to wait. I could buy it, but I just have to kill the zombie first. Twin sunflower. Yay! I just want to place a tango kelp there. You get 2, double the sun.
Yeah, you get double sun. Wait,
If we don't get it in time, we will, but he can just use like a lawnmower. I want to see them jump and instantly die. I know there's a guy there. We could have found better instant kills. And my cheapest attacking plant is 200. Squash, just go quicker. I wish I had imitator.
So how do you get, bro? How do you get imitator?
I don't really know. We are dead. I need to get 200 sun for that guy so that we actually survive. Yeah.
Plus, we only need 250.
I have to use squash in the sky. I just have to. Oh, there's 2 at the bottom. I didn't even see them. He's gonna jump in and die. That just looks. I don't know why. I find that funny. I just do. Yeah, he can just jump in and die. I don't know why that's so funny. It shouldn't, but it is. You can just have a row of tangle kelps. That will end up really good, definitely.
Yeah, that'll just kill all of them.
Probably. I'm gonna upgrade them because that's just like 2 sunflowers in 1 spot.
Wait!
Oh yeah, I know. Oh. Final wave. Oops. Just killed them all. Just like that.
You want to test out the...
Yep, I will. That is overpowered.
Go get a tangle kelp.
Oops.
Get a tangle kelp.
I know, but wait a sec. I will get one in a sec. Money, money, money. I have so much sun. So, I guess we tested out then. So now let's go into level. And we also have the, what is it called? Like the chili, I forget what it's called. So we first grab our sunflowers, some peas.
Wait, don't forget the fence. Don't forget the fence.
Ooh, we probably will need that extra slot. I think we'll need this. Should we swap anything?
Swap the tangle kelp out for walnuts. And then watch it add.
Okay. So we have the extra slot. What do we use that on?
Tangle kelp.
You just removed tangle kelp.
No, it's so...
But all these are all our got attacking plants except the instant kills are too expensive. Stop putting my hand down. But they're too expensive.
But that's where this dude comes in.
Oh, that's.
So you basically use him to stall the enemies, build up your defenses and stuff.
I am not. But the zombonis will just kill us. We need the jalapeno. We need you. If we didn't have the jalapeno, we'd be dead. The tree peter would probably be dead on the last few rounds. Thanks. I love all of them. Man, I just planted a lily pad. Man, if it spawns on a lane which isn't the right, I would be so angry. Angry. If you spawn in the pool, I would have. What if I put a walnut there and protect the right?
No! I wanted to see that whack.
It might be useful for a zombie. That means we get even more time to do it. To get sunflower. See? What's a tangle kelp could just grab out and bye-bye. That zombie's gonna die before that one. Our lives if there were no walnuts. Bye-bye. He added. What? Can we just... I shouldn't have done that, but it was cheaper than that guy. Please, son. Spawning in the pool is good. Please do that. We need so much sun so I can get that guy and obliterate him. Technically, the Gatling Pea costs 450.
Why?
Because.
Oh, because of
Because you also have to get, yeah. Can we just get a walnut? Quick. I need a walnut.
You need to stall him.
Yeah, I will. It's gonna say a huge wave of zombies if I blink.
Blink.
I didn't mean it like that. You don't get what I mean.
Oh. Like it's going by so fast that...
Yeah, it's probably going to. That's stall.
Meat shield. At least we stole them. Oh, my idea.
I'm just gonna get like 100 more sun.
And you just prepare for heaven.
I wish I could place tangle kelps on land. Tangle kelp can only be planted in water. Oh, like can I just place like a water bucket? That would be so cool.
Hello.
Hey Dad, have you seen anything in your email?
No.
About like Ironland and about Ironland?
No, should there be?
I wanted to subscribe, but it said email, so I used your email.
Oh, when did you do this?
A few minutes ago.
I haven't seen anything yet. Okay.
Why are you? Maybe tell your parents that I'm making a YouTube video because I don't know if it would be like them in the YouTube video. They're just gonna be in the video now.
Yeah, that's just gonna be in the video.
Canon. I said. Oh, I know you. I can do it.
Oh my God!
If there's 2 more zombies, we have backup.
Gatling P, boys!
You are dead. Zomboni! Zomboni!
Stall him!
You can't stall him! You can't stall him! He just stomped on it!
Jalapeno! Jalapeno!
Oh yeah, we need that.
My God.
The world without jalapenos. Bye-bye.
No, it's jalapeno.
Yeah, jalapeno. Same thing. We need some guys in here.
Oh my God, we're winning! Plus. Those spike me. Is it yes?
Oh, yes.
The email stuff?
I haven't checked it. Don't know why it's called over there, is it?
James, would you say this video is good so far?
It's good so far. Whoa.
Okay.
Obliterate.
I'm gonna place this guy. Wait, I'm gonna place this. I'm gonna place 2 of these. And then maybe a few more. Then I'll have some Gatling piece too.
Sorry.
Is it yes?
Yes.
Is it yes with the... I even have a little propaganda poster.
Cool. Well, it's not cool with the propaganda.
I know, don't accident. I'm able to do this. I know what I'm doing. Oh, if you hear that. Bye-bye.
Oh my God. He angry. It's going to the bottom, boys.
We are winning. Winner, dinner. No, I'm not saying that. We don't even need that sun. We're already winning. Just like those zombies. Spikeweed. Zomboties, you should give up. We already had jalapeno. Now you are gone. Pop stars and hurt zombies that step on it. Zombonis, be ready to die. Wait, is that the tall nut? We got tall nuts. Wait, dolphin riders? Please, no. No!
Yes.
No, dolphin riders are bad.
Why?
We don't need jalapeno now. This guy's cheaper and he just does the same. Oh, the scuba divers, I don't think they're good.
Well, we have to get the classic P and the tangle kelp.
I'm already bringing Gatling.
P and...
Wait, to bring Gatling P, we have to bring this guy. Now we have no spaces left for lily pads.
Oh, well.
Guys, we just got the extra slot. Now what?
I'm watching an ad.
Yep.
And now we got an entire...
Do we need pea shooter?
Yeah, we do.
Why?
One thing.
Wait a sec.
They are cheap. They are cheap.
I know, but we don't have walnuts. Actually, don't get this or snow peas or squash. So our only
Snow pea.
So the first thing we have to... I bought the Wraith. I'm confused. I remember buying it. So why is it an ad? We're already on level 7? Well. We need 175 sun. Or... Nope, that doesn't work. Quick! I need some. That was useless. We are so dead. What do we do? We can't do anything. Restart. We restarted just with some problems. We are bringing these twos. Wait, I'm just gonna order this order, even though it doesn't really matter.
And go.
We need an potato line. I'm just bringing potato line. We need it. Twin sunflower and sunflower. Is this good? Wait, we need extra slots. We are lily pad. We nearly forgot lily pad. Do we really need this guy?
We do. Because imagine this.
We get
We got one of them for 6 lanes, right? That one's going to be able to have like side repeaters.
Okay. Where are you going?
So what's today's dinner?
Okay, I guess he's gonna miss this. Potato mines will be so good. Like we have a Wraith and potato mine. We are so good at this game. We'll build a wall here because that's the U.S. That's Mexico. Give me sun. Can I have 2 sun, please? A little bit quicker, potato mine. Okay, actually, you're muted. A little bit quicker, potato line now.
Boom.
I I could have just done a snow pea, but I'll just do a snow pea too. Snow pea gonna kill him. Snow peas are so good.
They just slow him down.
Yeah, I did. Both of them actually. Somehow.
Let's
you
make a
spawn
big,
on these-
beautiful wall to keep out all the zombies.
Okay, that's what we're kind of doing.
Do some fun.
This is so overpowered. Bottom lane, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Just kidding. Snow peas are saving this run. No, we don't need potato mom. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it. Just, no, get it. Let go. We don't want potato mom. We don't want potato mom. We don't need potato mom. We don't want potato. We just want the left of them. I know what I'm going to sing. I just made up a new song. Album releasing.
Got it.
What?
Get the repeater.
Wait, not yet. I'm actually gonna get a tree, Peter. Here. We'll sell the potato mine. Oh, we forgot the spikes, I guess. Do we really need them? Oh, how are we gonna clear the ice? Because we don't have jalapeno to do that. And we don't even have spike way to destroy it.
Are you forgetting someone?
No, but that can't remove the fire from the ice from the Zombonis.
At least if it goes on one of the lanes that we have a snow pea on.
Oops, didn't mean to place it.
If it goes on one of the lanes that a snow pea's on.
They just jumped into their death happily. And if I was a zombie, we'll just place some guys there.
No, oh man, I want to have the Gatling pea.
Sorry.
Repeater.
I'll just get a bit more sunflowers. I'll put snow peas and repeaters there instead.
Obama.
That was random. Okay, this is all our sunflowers finished, except some sunflowers. Twin sunflowers.
But I pray to God that the Zomboni spawns on one of the lanes we have a snow pea on.
Wait, the bottom lane would be good? That would be the best lane?
Yes, it's
And
just...
it can't spawn in the water.
It's just non-stop, Al. So like...
I'll just get one. Now I'll get a Gatling P on the top lane. This is sun. There's so much sun. That guy's just gonna jump in and die. We need a tangle kill for this guy. He just instantly died. We are doing pretty good. And it's also symmetrical. Doesn't matter, but still.
Tangle kill.
Yep. No, you placed in the wrong spot. Anyways, he died. Repeater. Oh, then this guy. This is so good. This is so easy. This is so You're getting so. Wait, I can place it now. Because sometimes when you do it, you're placing the wrong spot.
No, wait. Wait.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. What do we do? Oh, that was so close.
Have you forgot something?
What? Yeah, I know those guys, but I already have a whole lane of them.
No, like
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Those guys. I'm doing them. I literally just placed them like a few seconds ago.
Well, it's the final wave. No.
We're not ready.
No. The final wave. Stock up, boys. In the cheeks.
We are getting so much sun.
Well, we just dragged him under. Now it's
Torchwood. Guys, we got Torchwood. Yay.
No. We forgot something.
What? Sure.
The store. Oh, don't do.
Let's just get. We just have a rake. What do you want to do?
Oh, let's think this.
Shop. Next. We are not getting any of those. They're too expensive. So, level 8. Connell's backyard. Imagine you go to somebody's backyard and it looks like this.
They're climbing up the walls.
What plant do we need that we don't have? So we got an extra slot. What do we use it on? Potato mine. We don't have that guy, but we have Torchwood.
Which could melt.
Oh, but these are bigs.
Bro, with that would basically.
Actually, is this?
Broven's gonna be with us.
Yeah, that's in the fog though, and this is not in this video.
Is that Sonya?
What?
Is that Sonya?
I don't know. I don't who that is.
I'll suck my aunt.
What? You're saying this on YouTube. Anybody can hear this. Sunflowers recharge like really quick. Oh yeah, we have to rake. I just wish they spawned in the pool more so I can use tangle kelps. Tangle kelp is like a potato mine in the water, which comes out fast, well, instantly.
It needs time to arm itself.
Yeah, but tangle kelps don't. Potato mine, go! What the hell? Well, we got potato.
Loads of pancakes with mine. My effing pancakes.
What the hell did you just say?
Blows of pancakes with mine. I am going insane.
You are correct.
Torchwood.
I can't just Torchwood doesn't do anything on his own.
Get the torchwood.
No, that's not gonna do anything to this guy. We're pretty good right now. This guy's gonna go in and die. What? It's kind of funny for some reason.
Thompson. Drags even deeper.
I'm just gonna place a potato mine for this guy. I don't want to deal with him right now.
The moment we get the cob cannon, I'm buying it. I want to play the endless mode.
We don't have that yet.
Get cob cannons and such. Get some cob cannons for the back defense. Donuts for defense. Donut to the front for defense, and then after that, all like hypno shrooms right after it. So anybody who eats them has to immediately go back.
I am not ready for a huge wave of zombies.
You are ready.
I'm not. I don't even have any guys on one lane. Well, like I don't have any guys here. It's only the first wave though.
It can change.
Bye-bye.
No, you just went bye-bye.
Oh
here
no.
comes bro.
Tangle kelp, quick!
Tangle kelp, tangle kelp.
Oh, yeah, it's like a pole vaulter, but in the water. So when he jumps over, you won. I'm just gonna place that there because it's getting a bit too close for me.
And then just...
I'm just gonna place 2 lily pads there. Okay, now the water is getting more defended.
Wait, no, torchwood.
On which one? No, don't place it there. Place it there because we're gonna place it on that second row. Yeah, he's just gonna go up and jump over. so funny about that. He thought he was doing something until Tango Kelp. You just got Tango Kelp. Tango Kelp, the other Tango Kelp, the Tango. What am I even saying? New languages that you don't know of. You see? Wait, we need to test this. I'm placing torchwood there. Or I'm placing Gatling Pea there. Whichever one comes first.
Torchwood.
I nearly go. These zombies in the pool are dead.
Yeah,
and on land, both of them.
Yes, it works.
He had the torchwood. Since it's a sin to eat torchwoods. Tall. Are we gonna use him?
Yeah, but we.
Oh, the divers can't jump over him. Oh. Heavy duty wall that can't be vaulted over. Wait, before we do this, the shop. Oh, we can't get it. Continue. Do we ring Talmud? Because the Zomboni will just say bye-bye.
Make sure we get jalapeno and spikeweed so then. Okay, see?
Yeah, we don't need jello.
There's a Zomboni pole boulder.
And also the dolphin. Well, what else should we bring? I'd say we could survive. I'll just bring these two. Do you think we could survive with this?
We can survive with that build.
What did we bring? What else did we bring last time? Walnut? Probably. No, we don't need that. Oh, last time we also had potato mine.
But we can fit Rosa.
Yeah, but the thing is, how are we gonna see? We have the rake.
Just a more that.
What the hell are you even doing?
One of them could have a nut allergy in.
Yeah, that has I don't know. I think that's on. Actually, I think that's only on the Xbox mode, but.
Is it the original edition?
Is
it HD? It checks. Oh, it's HD.
Okay, but the thing is, I don't have enough to get a repeater to kill this guy, so I have to stall him. What do I stall him with?
Oh, this.
No, that's not gonna work. It doesn't do. Just
It damages.
tall nut. Tanks.
I was gonna be jumping away for like 10 hours.
Challenge. Shoot the first zombie alive. That's what we're gonna be doing. I don't like how money hungry this thing is. Like, it literally. Please stop. We need potato mines. I'm sorry. We're gonna die. We need potato mines. So let's just bring some of the same. Wait, I'll just bring these two, then these two. So we have these, the lily pads, potato mines, and tangle kelps. Tall nuts. Anything else? Do we actually need? Oh, we need that guy. So let's just. We have to wash it out. Is this everything we need? Everything we need?
We're gonna see this. There's a lot more we need.
No, I mean everything we need for this level.
Yeah. Where in hell is Cattail?
I think it's later. I think you actually if you get it in the fog, that's stupid. What? There's a second rake! Guys, we got 2 rakes. Imagine if the zombies don't even spawn on one of the lanes with a rake. That would be devastating. They spawn on this one. Why do we have 2 rakes? I'm so confused. How did we get 2? I think we glitched the game. We have so much things which cost 25. The next one must spawn there. Yeah. This is OP. How did we get 2 of them? Look how much sunflowers we already planted. This is overpowered. The rakes are OP. Just place it there. I'm just gonna do a twin sunflower. Wait, no. I'm just gonna have it up there and I'll have more twin sunflowers than normal. This is overpowered. How did we just get 2 rakes? I'm just confused. Oh, now there's 2 zombies. Well, have you ever heard of a repeater? I don't know what I'm even saying, but who thinks I'm crazy? Probably me. Oh, pole vaulter! Pole vaulter! Wait, no!
Tunnel!
Yep, haha. He'll be crunching forever. No, I can collect this one myself.
Oh!
Yeah, I know. Well, I'll place it right there. Then you will get a potato mine and you'll get a repeater. That's on your menu. Potato mine. Repeater. It's gonna be so annoying if somebody like watching the video and they see just collect the sun. Tall nut. Straight away. Tall nut. Too tall to fall. We have tangle kelp, so we're okay in the pool. Imagine dying to a PEA. Zombies. I take zombies. What? Wait, actually, imagine dying to a literal PEA. This is so embarrassing. Or like sweet corn or something for corn. Like, imagine dying to a pea. A freaking pea.
Oh!
Wait. We will get tangle kelp for this guy.
Oh.
Oh, a wave of zombies? I'm not ready.
Wait. Oh my god, tangle kelps.
We are alive.
Oh!
Wait, no.
Hyperventilation.
We'll place tall nuts. We'll have tall nuts there. I should place it there. That would make more sense. But oh well. Sorry if you're screaming for me to collect some. I do not have 10 eyes. You just ate. You wouldn't have got tangle kelp if you didn't do that.
Oh.
No.
Get below here.
No. I done it there.
It's 10,000. It's like 2 pole holders.
2 pole holders? I didn't even see. I thought that was just the one guy. We will. This guy cannot jump over. He thinks he's so cool just to die. We'll have a row of tangle kelps. Make this even harder.
Zombies. This is an impenetrable fortress!
It is. Kind of. Unless you're a zomboni.
Hello?
Hopefully they don't come, but I'm probably gonna jinx that. But we're ready for them.
Yeah.
And then I can just place a Gatling pea where they are.
Yeah, and then dead. Wait. I want to place it here.
You need a Gatling pea at the top. Wait a sec. Why are you pushing my hand away? Oops. I meant this. Look how much sun we have. We are getting so much sun from this. I need a fire guy there. This is so good. Our defense is what's the word? Oh no. Zomboni. Oh, that was a close one. We don't have it there. Quick.
We need toilets. Yeah, toilet.
Yep, right there. We need one guy there just to be more safe. But look how much twin sunflowers we have. We get so much sun that we're basically never gonna run out.
This is what I call the perfect attack.
Well, we're kind of defending. This is our backyard.
Oh, fudge.
No, he can't jump over.
How do you like it?
This level's so fun. I don't want it at the end. Can I just upgrade some things first?
No.
Wait, no, not yet. I just want to place down some guys. So it looks better. And we also have these 2 of these. Then. Oh, I'm not waiting. Basically symmetrical. Hello, we heard you were having a pool party. Hello, we heard you were having a pool party. We think that this one will be right over. Sincerely, the zombies. We're nearly on the phone. Our week is being holded up by Plants vs Zombies. Recorded one on Monday and one on Tuesday. And it's Tuesday right now.
And tomorrow, Wednesday, another one.
What's a lily pad gonna do? A tangle kelp, they're not even in the water. Finally, something more fun. If they don't give me, I don't think they're gonna give me Gatling PEA. How am I gonna win with only 3 Peters? Give me some. Actually, I probably could win with only 3 Peters. And tangled kelps, give them some credit. And jalapenos. I'm not using that yet. And walnuts. So far, so good. That guy didn't even get to step on the spike weed.
Do it now.
No, we don't. Don't. We don't need it.
All things game.
Tell me to do something before you do something. We didn't need that.
We need it.
Look, this guy's gonna die. I'll just do it.
Just do it. Plus the animation is funny.
Squash. Can I please have another palm nut and spike weed? Oh, it's so hopeful.
Oh, they're just giving us insta kills.
Semi. I probably will need jalapeno. Like, lily pads. You're giving me so much lily pads, but for what? We're not even using most of them. Please, I want a tall nut there. I'm gonna place that right there, because I just want to use this. I know that was useless, but it's not my fault. They're giving me so much crap. He's gonna jump over that. POV. No, we don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need that. We don't need that at all. Why am I not placing at the bottom already? I just want to see him jump and then go. Yay. Give me something else for once. Is this just 3 Peters only?
I don't have a plane. Finally, tone it.
Wait, can I just have one? I wish I could move the lily pad up.
Ow.
have a torchwood there. Can I just have... Can I please have some spikes? What's the toilet's gonna do? Do we actually even need spikes?
You don't need them.
But the zombies weren't dying before they could hit the toilet. Look. But they got through. They got through. Squash. Finally. I need a lily pad right there. Brr. We just finished. Time to celebrate and use everything. Aww. So, is it over? Now we just